Easyfarm vertical barrel, a product created to cater to your kitchen farming requirements. Based on well-known hydrophonics technology, it ensures you a safe and healthier lifestyle. The product mainly designed for people living in cities where there is a shortage of space and fertile soil. The snap-fit design makes the assembly very easy. Easyfarm aims at promoting agriculture in every home at an affordable rate and thus paving our way towards a healthier and sustainable future. Easyfarm makes farming easier than ever before. Since you have got an overview of our product by now, let's continue to the working of Easyfarm vertical barrel. What you see right now is a cross-sectional view of our product. We have a base bucket and in that we store the mineral solution. So that solution will get pumped up by this pump through this tube over here and it will reach this part called the buffer. So this buffer will store the mineral water solution like this and there are holes over here. So through those holes the solution will drip down irrigating the plants. This green color represents the plants. So the working is simple. The mineral water solution gets pumped up through the pump through this tube. It will reach the water buffer and that mineral water solution will drip down irrigating the plants. That's it about the work. Now let's see about the components of a product. The first one is the bucket, and the unique thing about our bucket is the slots over here. So why these slots? So if you got some damage while you were using your product, then there could be a chance of leakage. So the water might leak and it can go to the floor. So in order to prevent that, we have given those slots over there. So even though there is some leakage, the water solution will go inside the bucket through those slots. So the water will go inside the bucket through those slots. So our base bucket's capacity is 50 liters and we are planning to manufacture it with PVC sheet. The next part is a segment. This is where we keep our plant and these ribs over here will help in guiding the mineral water solution towards the root of our plant. And we are planning to manufacture it using ABS. Now let's go to the pod. The pod is where we'll keep the plants. So you can see a picture of the segment without the pod and with the pod. So this pod will make the harvesting process easier. And then it's the water buffer. So the water which is being pumped up by the pump will reach this water buffer through this hole. And these water guideways over here will ensure that the water is distributed uniformly towards all the areas. And through these tiny holes, the water will go down. So we have given two holes over here. That is because, so if due to some reason, the rate of flow of the water solution is out of control, then even though the mineral water solution rises up, before spilling, the solution will go inside the bucket through these holes. So that's it about the water buffer, and we are planning to manufacture it using PVC sheet. And then the lid, and we have tried to reduce the amount of material used for the lid. We are planning to manufacture it also using PVC sheet. There are also a few prefabricated parts used in our product. They are the tube which will be used to pump the mineral water solution up to the water buffer. Then we have the pump. After that we have the valve. This valve will be used to regulate the amount of mineral water solution going up to the water buffer. And then the neutral solution which will ensure that the plants will get all the essential nutrients. And then we have the connector which will ensure that the tube will stay fixed on the water buffer. Now let's go to the market study. Our target audience are those people living in city areas. those people who lack fertile soil and also space for farming. Our product is compact and does not require any soil for farming. That means our product is going to have a huge demand on urban areas. And our product is also modular. That ensures that even though after years of usage you get some damage in one of the part, you don't have to buy the whole setup again. You can buy the single part. This whole product is made up of only 5 parts, and that can save you a lot of money. Speaking about supply, at first our product will be made available in our website. You can buy it from there or from the agricultural stores in major cities. And after 2-3 months of successful business, we will expand our supply chain and we'll expand it to tier 2 cities. Now let's continue to yield comparison. So in conventional farming, 1 hectare of land can yield 45 quintals of yield. And 1 hectare is 247.105 cents. Also, 1 cent is this much square centimeters. And the base area of our product is this much square centimeters. So, by dividing the total area of 1 cent with the base area of our product, we get that we can place 35.8 barrels in 1 cent. We also took into consideration the space to be provided between the barrels, and we came to the conclusion that we can place 25 barrels in 1 cent. In short, Easyfarm can give us a yield of 20 times more than that of conventional farming methods. That was all about yield comparison. Now let's continue to what can we grow in our product. There are a wide range of plants which can be grown with the help of Easyfarm vertical barrel. But we have shortlisted them into 4 X-factor crops, and we chose this X-factor crops after considering the demand of those plants and those vegetables in our market. So those crops are tomato, lettuce, spinach and coriander. That's it about our product, Easyfarm vertical barrel farming made easier than ever before. Thank you and have a nice day.